Welcome to the burger that broke the internet. This is Dubai's viral smash sensation. No buns, no rules, just a flaky paratha, juicy meat and flavour that hits like a desert storm. This is not your average recipe, this is simply street food royalty, so let's make it together. So we're going to make the dough to start with, so I mixed together some plain flour, some salt and sugar and some Desi ghee. After mixing that together, I combined it with some milk and some water until it came together into a dough. I'm just going to brush a little bit of butter on top of that dough. I'm then going to set that aside and let it rest for about an hour. And as always, I got some fresh halal meat delivered straight to my door from the online meat shop. The meat arrived fresh and cold within 24 hours of when I ordered it. It's always pre-washed and ready to cook. Details of this halal meat supplier is in the description below. So I'm just going to start by making some meatballs for the smash burgers. You can make them as big or small as you like, but this size was perfect for me. I'm now going to prepare the dough balls for the parathas. I'm going to brush the dough balls with some butter. The more the butter, the better the paratha. And of course, I'm going to make some steak cut chips because what's a burger without any chips? And now for the hard part, I'm going to roll out the dough as thin as possible. I'm now going to grab a sharp knife and make long thin slits in the dough like this. And please use a chopping board. When my mum sees this video, she'll be making long thin slits into me. And before rolling that over, I'm going to add some butter in the middle. So we call it the snake method at home. I'm not sure what you want to call it, but this is how we make our layered paratha. We're now going to heat some butter in a pan. We're going to cook the parathas on a low heat on each side. And then big fat chips are cooking away nicely. And so are the juicy crispy parathas. And my niece is here.
I do one. Papa, I want to do one. I'll do one. And then my time to do. Let's do this one to the same time. Okay, this is red. This is red.
And now that I've smashed them burgers, I'm going to cook them on a hot pan. You can season them with whatever you like. I've generously seasoned them with some all-purpose seasoning, some salt and some pepper. And of course a melted cheese slice is absolutely key. And another absolutely essential ingredient is the fried onions. I've decided to make some homemade burger sauce, so I'm going to add some tomato ketchup to a plate along with some mayonnaise. I've just gone in with a little bit of chilli sauce. I've just added some honey for that extra sweetness and a little bit of apple cider vinegar and a teaspoon of herbs. And that's ready. I'm just going to give that a really good mix. You can make this however you like and add whatever seasoning you like. And now everything is made, I'm just going to assemble that smash burger. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, give me a thumbs up. And also leave me a comment to say what you think. And of course, follow my channel for more recipes like this one. And thanks for watching.